try and get some on here. I don't know how, but we'll try. Give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna just let it get dark and quiet for a while, and we'll build them up a bit. Try and get them all over me, and see if I can't get a good screenshot with them. These paranormal, whatever they are, they glow in the dark with electric bug zapper. Some of them blow up, and then some others just make it look like a galaxy. So give me a couple minutes. Ooh, there's another one that popped. You can hear the poppers. That's them exploding too. So, the small ones don't explode, they just light up like a galaxy.